Alright, so this is the Jeep Liberty build here. So this is the way I'm getting up to 4 inches. Is I got a sorry. I believe a 3/4 inch or a 9/16 inch top plate. Then you got 2.5 inch lift skyjacker springs with the Hydro 7000s. Then you have the 3/8 inch clevis spacer that's discontinued by JBA. Then you have the 2 inch conduit nuts. Don't worry about the upper control arm contacting the spring. It's a little bit on jack stands right now, but that is so far what we got. Soon I'll be getting a ball joint spacer for this. You can find them on eBay, but this is the front.